Got something kind of top secret in this box. I love a good utility knife. I love a good utility knife. I started kind of collecting them for whatever reason, because I'm that kind of person. This one's a little different. So we got a little pocket clip here. A little lanyard tie off. What's going on there? Let's put one of these blades in here. That is a nice fast deploy on this utility knife. It does take some work to push this, thank goodness. Otherwise we'd be having problems. So you can't just accidentally bump it. You do have to give it a press kind of past a detent. And really easy to change this blade out. Just press this little guy down and pull the blade. So that's easy. All right, now we know what that is.